For millions of Indians, a hatchback is never just a car. The first car a growing family trusts. And today, first-time car buyers are more evolved than ever before. But above all, they expect to feel protected because safety cannot be rationed by the segment. It has to be engineered completely. Because these cars don't just carry passengers, they carry families. And roads are unpredictable. Narrow roads, missing dividers, fast-moving trucks, pedestrians appearing without warning. On our roads, danger rarely announces itself. So today, for the very first time in India, we are putting a hatchback through something far more extreme, and not just any hatchback. A Tiago CNG. Engineered with twin-cylinder technology. Engineered for the realities of everyday. The challenge begins with one of the most unforgiving real-world crash scenarios. A direct frontal impact into a rigid pole. The kind that can happen on roads. Against a lamppost, a tree or a divider standing exactly where you never expected it. But sometimes, real accidents do not end with the first crash. Sometimes the first impact throws the vehicle into another danger entirely. Another lane, another vehicle, another collision. Because one impact can quickly become two. So we push the Tiago further. The same car now faces a second high-severity side impact. Two severe crashes. On the same Tiago CNG. And yet, the promise remains intact. Because true safety is not about surviving ideal conditions. It is about protecting families in the unpredictable realities. This is engineering with responsibility. The next-gen Tiago, built for India's roads. Built for India's families.